Let's see how can we convert this Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinates. In polar coordinates, this x coordinate is written as r cos theta, and this y coordinate is written as r sin theta. So how can we convert this into this? Let's see. This is what polar and this is Cartesian. So let's have some graph. Yeah, I'm drawing a graph here, and let's take a point P here who's having coordinates x comma y. So if we take a distance of this point from the origin, so let's take it as r. This is the distance from the origin. And if you draw perpendicular from the point to this x-axis, so length of this will be what? Since we have point uplifted in the y as y into y coordinate, so this length will be what? Y. And we have taken point in the x-axis as x at x coordinate, so the distance of this will be, length of this will be x. So you can see that this is a right angle triangle and this is a 90-degree angle. So opposite side of this is this r. So this will be what? Our hypotenuse. So this r is the length of the hypotenuse of this triangle. So if we consider, let's say I am taking an angle here theta, that is the distance angle between this x-axis and this dis distance from the origin, this length. If I am taking this theta, so let's say that sine theta will be equal to what then? Sine theta will be equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side to theta is y and adjacent hypotenuse is r. Now if we take cos theta, so since you know cos theta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, so adjacent side to this theta is x and hypotenuse is r. So you got sine theta this and cos theta this. So if we take this is in the denominator, so if we take to the that side of the equal to, so it will be in the numerator. So it will be like this: sine theta into r is equal to y, and cos theta into r is equal to x. So you got x is equal to r cos theta, and you got y is equal to r sin theta. Now, if how can we find this value r? Since you know that this is hypotenuse, so you can write r square is equal to x square plus y square by Pythagoras theorem. So you can have r is equal to square root of x square plus y square. So in this way we converted this Cartesian coordinate into the polar coordinates.